Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to know if someone has blocked you on Roblox step by step. If you're unsure whether you've been blocked, stick around as we walk through the signs. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful Roblox tips and tricks. Step 1. First, open the Roblox app on your device. It could be on your phone, tablet, or computer. Just make sure you're logged in. Step 2. Once you're inside the app, head to the search bar at the top of the screen and type in the username of the person you're looking for. Step 3. If you can't find their profile or the search returns no results, there's a good chance they may have blocked you. Step 4. Next, go to your messages in Roblox. You can do this by clicking on the message icon. Step 5. Try to send them a chat message. Maybe it's something simple like, "Hey, how's it going?" Step 6. If you receive an error message or notice that your message doesn't go through, they might have blocked you. Step 7. Roblox typically shows a notification when this happens, letting you know that the message can't be sent. Step 8. Now head over to your friends list. You can find this by clicking on the Friends tab. Step 9. Use the search bar to search for their name. Step 10. If their name no longer appears in the list, it's possible they have either unfriended or blocked you. Step 11. Think about a game they frequently play, something they enjoy playing all the time. Step 12. Try joining that game and see if you can find them there. Step 13. If you can't join their game or you don't see them playing, they may have blocked you. And that's it. Those are the steps to figure out if someone has blocked you on Roblox. Hopefully, this helps you out. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.